Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have what you need. Open Outlook and click the search box to begin. You should set the scope immediately so results aren't noisy. Choose Current Folder to narrow or All Mailboxes to broaden. Once done, activate the Search or Search Tools ribbon. This gives you quick filters for from, subject, and date. Use the suggestion list for recent queries, and make sure to type a clear keyword first so filters apply to a focused result set instead of everything. Now refine results with precise operators. Type from Alice or subject, invoice to find targeted messages. Combine terms using and, or, and not, then group them with parentheses when necessary, like from Alice or from Bob and subject report. Make sure to use has attachment, yes for files and received, 2024-01-01 to constrain by time. Once refined, inspect the preview pane for context. Finish by saving effective queries. Create a search folder or pin the search so you can repeat it instantly. Make sure to clear the search box or press Escape to return to your folder view when finished, and export messages if you need offline copies. If results look incomplete, check sync status and rebuild the Windows search index for Outlook. Reindexing fixes many missing email problems. If reindexing doesn't help, verify account connection and restart Outlook before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.